Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME GameStop. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, boom. That's really all you can say here, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous videos, but been talking about that red line there at 248, and finally did get the breakout of it. A bit of a tease this morning. Broke above it, and then a pretty nasty pullback there, but then late afternoon went back, and the second time got up through it, and then you can see a very nice breakup through there. So that is going to be where the first update comes into play, and that's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So in the newest areas of support right there at 248, and that's what I would call the ideal level. You say, Clay, you know, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And yeah, ideally, if the price can stay above 248, that would be a fantastic sign of power. But I mean, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that level, that does not mean that the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying above that area would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Party stopped today right up there at $200, and we'll call it $65. So 265, public enemy number one, moving into Friday. But all in all, got the breakout of 248. In my mind, that was very important. And not just a question of how much further can this momentum take it. We'll see what happens with it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.